Aquarius June 2025 predictions. General. Aquarius natives can hope for significant career success in June 2025. Support from management and co-workers can aid them achieve their goals. Authorities could provide additional benefits and encouragement. However, entrepreneurs should be cautious with new ventures. It is advisable to start small. Patience is key for business persons before planning for expansion. Natives may have stable finances, with family support boosting their efforts. Love life appears joyful. However, married Aquarians may face minor conflicts, which might get resolved. Minor health issues may arise, which may need monitoring. Students must put in extra effort to perform well in their studies. Hard work and focus might be essential for educational success. Love and relationships. Those in love may enjoy wonderful experiences with their beloveds in exciting places. But avoid external interference in relationships. Marital conflicts are possible due to differences of opinion, misunderstandings, or external pressures. But there is some possibility of friends' support. Finances. Aquarians can expect steady but average financial progress. Loved ones will likely offer increased support now. But be cautious about monetary decisions to avoid complications. Input from a partner or friend might complicate matters. Career. The employed can hope for career elevation this month. Management is likely to approve their or the team's ideas. Teammates could be supportive and contribute with new suggestions. Senior authorities may offer perks or added benefits. Medical and healthcare professionals could receive appreciation from patients and management. Production-related employees may score notable success. Research and development experts may gain smooth recognition in scientific fields. However, IT professionals could face delays in promotions and rewards due to planetary influences. Media and film industry personnel should avoid carelessness to prevent minor conflicts. Legal professionals might face a minor setback due to oversight. Business. Please be cautious with investments. It would be better to start businesses with less capital. Business persons should rush into starting a business. It is also not advisable not to enter into partnership deals. Health. Minor health issues may crop up at times. These can include the common cold or the like. Pay attention to what your body tells you. Warm water could cut down the chances of developing a cold and also ease your throat. Education. Aquarius students may have to work diligently for academic excellence. Allocate enough time for studies and complete assignments on time. Consistent study habits can improve understanding and retention. Those desirous of postgraduate studies abroad may do so in the country of their choice. Acceptance of thesis may face delays. Despite obstacles, they may eventually receive the approval of the scientific community. Auspicious dates. Inauspicious dates.